Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove YAHOO search from Chrome Windows and Mac. This process is for Windows, but it will also work for Mac devices. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the Chrome window. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options, select Settings. Once you're in the Chrome settings, scroll down until you find the Search Engine section. This is where you can change your default search engine. On Windows, locate the drop-down menu labeled Search Engine Used in the Address Bar or Search Engine Used for Searches from Windows. Click on the drop-down arrow and you'll see a list of available search engines. Choose your preferred search engine, such as Google, from the list. On Mac, the process is similar. Find the drop-down menu labeled Search Engine Used in the Address Bar. Click on the drop-down arrow and select your preferred search engine, like Google, from the options. After selecting your desired search engine, simply close the Settings tab. Your new search engine settings will be saved automatically. There you have it. You've successfully removed YAHOO search from Google Chrome on both Windows and Mac. I hope this video was of help. Bye.